Greetings. Welcome you all on behalf of NIMI, Chennai. I am Thangababu from Government ITI, Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to discuss three topics. First one is energy conservation. Second one is safe disposal of used engine oil. Third one is safe handling and periodical testing of lifting equipments. At the end of this class, you shall be able to state energy conservation and its classification. Second one is safe disposal of used engine oil, and the last one is safe handling and periodical testing of lifting equipments. Let us see one by one. Energy conservation. Energy conservation is the effort made to reduce the consumption of energy by using less of an energy service. Energy conservation can therefore be the result of several processes or development such as productivity increases or technological progress. The example for energy conservation is replacing the tungsten bulbs with compact fluorescent lamps CFL bulbs and light emitting diode LED bulbs. Uses of energy conservation. To achieve and maintain optimum energy procurement and utilization throughout the organization, to minimize energy cost or waste without affecting production, comfort and quality. And also the energy conservation is used to reduce environmental pollution per unit of industrial output such as carbon dioxide, smoke or sulfur dioxide. Classification of conservation opportunities, that is ECOs. There are three types of energy conservation opportunities, namely minor energy conservation opportunities, medium energy conservation opportunities, major energy conservation opportunities. Minor energy conservation opportunities. This is a simple or easy to implement and it requires less investment to implement in time. For example, stopping of leakage points, avoiding careless waste, lapses in housekeeping and maintenance. Second one, medium energy conservation opportunities. It is some more complex and required additional investment and moderate implementation time. The example for medium energy conservation opportunities are replacement of existing household appliances by new energy efficient ones. The third one, major energy conservation opportunities provide significant energy saving which are complex and demand major investment and long implementation period. Example, replacement or major renovation of old building and machineries, etc. Safety disposal of used engine oil. We are using engine oil in automobile vehicle for lubrication process. The engine oil comes from petroleum oil and it contains synthetic components which are not soluble in water. It has physical and chemical impurities such as dirt and metal scrapings. Purpose of disposing waste oil, because it is usually inflammable, harmful to the environment, it pollutes fresh water, it may cause cancer, reach out of animals. Methods of safety disposal of used oil. The used oil may be recycled or refined by distillation, acidic refining, clay treatment and hydrogenation. Safe handling and periodic testing of lifting equipments. We are using lifting equipments like cranes, chain block, hoist, screw jack and hydraulic lift in workshop for lifting vehicles and engines, etc. So all the lifting equipment should be properly maintained, periodically tested, which ensures safe and successful operations. Now let us discuss do's and don'ts while handling the lifting equipments. Place the axle stands before working under the frame. Use adequate and suitable lifting equipment for the suitable job. Never exceed the safe working load of lifting equipments. Don't work under unsupported or suspended loads such as engine, vehicles, etc. Always use proper operating technique of lifting equipments. Periodic testing of lifting equipment. Before operating the lifting equipment, always visually inspect the components of the lifting equipments. In case of hydraulic hoist, check oil level and top up periodically. Replace the hydraulic oil periodically. Overhaul the lifting equipment twice a year. Check the electrical connections regularly. Calibrate the equipment once in a year and obtain certificate from authorized testing center. Students, in this session we discussed energy conservation, safe disposal of used engine oil, safe handling and periodical testing of lifting equipments. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.